Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the MAC address of an iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General Settings, tap About. In the About settings, scroll down to where it says Wi-Fi address. This Wi-Fi address is actually the MAC address of your device. If you hold down on it, you can get the option to copy it to your clipboard. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.